Hello everyone, on this video we are going to learn how to host a Flutter project on the web. You can see here we are going to host this counter that comes when you start a new Flutter project. Open the terminal and then make sure that you are on the beta channel. You can see here I'm already on the beta channel, but if you are not on this channel you can change. You write Flutter channel and then beta, and after that you should do Flutter upgrade. I'm not pressing enter here because I'm already on the beta channel. I'm just showing you how to change channels. You also need npm. You can find a link in the description, and you must go to this website and install if you don't have it already. Now you can enable the web. To do that, write flutter config -- enable. -web like this, and now you can run it. So write the command flutter run -d chrome and press enter. Okay, it's waiting now, and you can see here it's running on the Chrome emulator. Now you can build the web files that are needed to host it online. So write flutter build web, and it's compiling now. Okay, you go to the project directory, then go to the folder build and the web, and make sure you have all these files. If you only have one or you don't have all these files, you should write flutter create dot and then press enter, because it's alright for me. I will not do that now. And now we are going to create the project on the Firebase. So go to the Firebase page and click add project. Give some name. I'm going to give it the name hosting demo Flutter. Select here, and it's creating the project. Okay, continue. And now we should write these node commands. So open the terminal, right here, terminal, and write node-v to make sure that you have node installed. Open the project folder in the terminal. And now if you are on Mac, write sudo, and if you are on Windows, make sure that you open the terminal as admin. Now write sudo npm and like this to install the Firebase tools, and press enter. Now it asks for the password. Enter your user password. This should be your computer's password, and now it's running. Okay, now has to make sure that you are in the right directory. Then Firebase init. Select hosting. Select your project, and here pull directory, write build web. Yes. As index, no. And here, no. Okay, it's configured now. Now write Firebase Deploy -- only hosting. Enter. This can take some time. Okay, and you can find here the link to your application. Let's place this on the browser. And you can see it's all working fine. So thanks guys for watching. If you like this one, don't forget to subscribe and press the like button. See you in the next one.